Hi everyone, it's been a while since we did this, so I'm here now with some updates for the month of May and the upcoming trunk shows. First off, we have London, the super trunk show that we do with Jesper, Ingevaldsson, FitzPatrick and Kirby Allison. We're excited that this is going to be our fourth year. Once again, Bridlen shoes will be used for the Shoemaking Championship as well as the Patina Championship at London. It's happening at the Showcase event on Regent Street at the heart of London. So I hope to see you there for yet another event. This year we had 40 people globally joining in for the shoe shining and the shoe patina competition. So you can imagine it's going to be quite a stiff race to the winner. And I had quite a tough time compared to the last couple of years trying to judge this event. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the top 3 contestants this year will be like. The Patina Championship last year was very tight as well. This year we've seen some new entrants from new parts of the world. So let's see how that competition goes. As you know, Bridlen shoes will be there. It'll be nice to see how our participants shine these shoes and do patina on our shoes. I'm really looking forward to that. For the shoe shining competition, there's no surprise. We have 2 gentlemen from Japan yet again and from England who's Mr. Bull and Shine. So no surprises who the local favorites will be this year at London. But the Asians always seem to have had an upper hand when it comes to getting things perfect. Let's see if the Englishmen can beat them at their own game. For the Patina Championship, we have 3 people, 2 from France and 1 from Switzerland, and I'm happy to say 2 of these participants have already done the same championship. So it's always nice to have them come back and compete for another round of glory. The other major event that takes place at the London Super Trunk Show is the World Shoemaking Championship. This year it will be a double monk in dark brown boxscarf leather. Every year, as you know, a new style is selected by the organizers, and this year it happens to be the double monk. It's also a suggestion of what style might possibly come for the year ahead. As you know, in classic footwear, there really isn't styles of fashion that come in and out, but they're usually the same things that kind of take a different twist every year, and then for a while it's popular. So this year, the word on the street is it's going to be the double monk. Let's see what other people are wearing at the Super Trunk Show as well. For the Shoemaking Championship, it will be crowned in London, and then the shoes are sort of moved from one country to the next. And a couple of years ago, we had hosted this in India. We had an event for Bridlen and we hosted it there. This year, we will be hosting it again at a very new venue. Stay tuned for more updates on that. It's quite exciting. I will do a separate video and tell you about where we're going to be hosting, what this new venue is about. It's a lot on the works, and I'm quite excited to see the new space come up.